My name is Pete Riley, and I'm President and Managing Partner of Counselor Buchanan & Mitchell, CBM. CBM was founded in 1921. CBM is a full-service regional CPA and advisory firm. CBM works with automobile dealerships, not-for-profit organizations, construction and real estate clients, professional service groups, and individuals and family-owned businesses. We deliver specialized expertise on a personalized basis to all of our clients. CBM was voted Firm of the Year in 2013 by Enterprise Worldwide, which is an association of international and national CPA firms. Recently, Washington Business Journal named us a top CPA firm for 2015. CBM was very fortunate in the fall of 2014 to merge with Drollet & Associates. It's been a seamless integration, and fortunately, their belief in quality and integrity has been the same way it's always been at CBM. Personalized is the word I would use to describe CBM's approach to service. We understand each individual and the industry they serve, which is paramount to CBM's success. CBM is not so much interested in becoming the envy of the industry. What we want to do is make a difference. We want to make a difference with our staff and with our clients we serve. The best piece of professional advice I've received is to hire talented, energetic individuals who are excited about what they do. Project ClearPath provides our employees with a clear vision as their professional development. Each employee receives a mentor, and that mentor will ensure that they have a voice at the table, that their firm goals and their individual goals are met. This will create future leaders not only for CBM, but for the community as a whole. And this will help us better serve all of our clients. The proudest moment for CBM will be in 2016. At that time, we will celebrate our 95th anniversary. This is the culmination of many people providing great customer service and having a willingness to embrace change.